YouTube, what's good, y'all? What is good? Welcome to the channel. Happy Monday. Let's see, let me check in with the viewers here. It's UAI day, y'all. It is UAI day, and we've got an exciting live working session, live experiment for you guys today. So let me just check in, see who we got in the building right now. Let me find my comments. My comments are missing, y'all. Just give me 1 second here. Looks like we got 11 viewers. Welcome. Just looking for the comments here. I don't know why they aren't showing. George, what is good? There we go. Welcome to the broadcast. Sam, welcome. Can you guys hear me okay? Let me know. Awesome. So I'm going to move this here. So today we're going to be building an AI app, an AI tool, or for short, just an AI. Okay. Chad, what's going on, man? It's good to see you. Hope all is well. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Okay. So if you guys haven't been tuned in, hey, Cynthia, good to see you. Yes. So if you haven't been tuned into the channel over the past couple weeks, I told you guys about UAI, which is a really cool platform that you can use to either find an AI app or AI tool to use that'll make you a lot more productive and efficient, whether it's in life or business, or you can build your own AI app and AI tool. So that's what we're going to be doing today, y'all. I'm starting fresh. You know, I've done my research, of course, and watched some videos. And last week we had Dimitri, the co-founder of UAI, on the channel. But I haven't built one yet. I wanted to save that for this live video so we can both find out if it's as easy as they say it is. And I believe it is. And I was really excited about it when I first saw it. So now it's time to build an AI app. Okay. So, hide this. Sound great? Okay, awesome. Looks like we're up to 19 viewers. Welcome, guys. Welcome. So we're going to be building an AI app. All right. So I'm going to share my screen and we're going to go to uai.ai. Okay, so let me change my scene. Can you guys see this okay? Let me know if you can see this. Let me know if all is well, y'all. Are we good? Take a sip of coffee really quick. All right. So it looks like I'm already logged in, but if you weren't logged in, let me log out. So you go to uai.ai. Can you guys see this? Okay. uai.ai. Then you would hit get started for free and you would sign up. So there is a link in the description. If you haven't signed up already, you can hit the link in the description and that will take you right over there. Or you can explore the apps without signing in. But I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Let me see here. Okay. So let's go over to explore apps real quick. So there's a huge AI library and you can see on the left hand side the different categories, like the one that Dimitri showed us last week is this parenting co-pilot, which is really cool. All you got to do is enter the names and the years of birth of your kids. And then, let me see. New. Okay, it already has it, so I can edit it up. Things look different. All right, this is cool. So the names and the dates of birth of your kids, and then you can go ahead and start asking it questions so you can see This example I have here with my youngest who's upset about playing Roblox. And then it personalizes the answer based on your input. So it's all about getting the right context, and that's what you're able to do with UAI in MindStudio. All right. So, so this is the app library here. Some apps are free and some are paid. So when you create yours, you can either charge for them or you can offer them for free, or you can do both. Awesome. Okay. So we're up to 27 viewers. Shout out to everybody who's just joining us. Today we are creating our own AIs with UAI and MindStudio. Okay. So now when you log in, you'll see this button here that says it's the MindStudio logo, and it says create AIs. So you can click this to create AIs. Then there's a getting started video here that you can watch, and there are tons of tutorials on UAI's YouTube channel that shows you how to use it. I did a semi tutorial a couple weeks ago, just showing you what the interface looks like. But I'm going to show it to you again now. So you can either click create new AI here. Also have your documentation. So it's all of this as well. Quick links, videos. But I'm going to click create new AI. You have these different options to start from. Hey, Lakeitra, it's good to see you. Welcome. Zandre, it is good to see you as well. Welcome to the broadcast. So I'm just showing you guys how to build AI apps. I'm building my first one. I'm excited about it. And if you're in my Good to Go community, if you're a graphic designer or creative, we're going to talk about how to find your niche, a profitable niche. Baz, what is good? Joe, great to see you. Cool. So you can use one of these. They call these, these are templates or scaffolds. So you can start from scratch. There's a book AI, a summarizer, talking to a PDF, content generator. So you can see the different ones here. Create an AI personality, a copilot for any industry. So that's kind of like the parenting copilot I talked to you guys about. I showed you a few minutes ago. A data set analyzer. Yeah, I appreciate that. If you could hit the like button, I'd appreciate it. And I need to make these comments disappear after a few seconds. Remind me where to do that in Ecamm. Hide comments after it's like 7 seconds, right? Let me see here. There it is. I got it. Let's do 10 seconds. That's long enough. Cool. So I see if George's comment fades away. Claude, what is good? Man, it's like a family reunion in here. You right on time, Claude. We up to 29 viewers. That's awesome. All right. So you can start from one of these templates. Okay. You can start from one of these, and it kind of, based on what you're looking to do, they included the most common, I guess, templates or requests. So between summarizers or co-pilots, analyzing data sets, generating content, as you can see here. But this is the cool thing, y'all. Check this out. Hold up. I got to take a sip of coffee for this. You don't have to start from scratch. You don't even have to start from a template. What if you could take a pretty cool AI that's already developed and just remix that? Make a copy of it and just change what you need to change for your own AI. That's how easy they've made it. So you better hop on this now, because I've heard rumblings that there is a pro tier, a paid option coming. So you may want to join now. You may want to get in there and get busy now before that happens, because I don't know which features will make it to that tier and which features will stay free. But as of right now, you can go on here and have a field day. UAI is still just a couple months old, y'all. Remember that. It seems like every time I pop on here, there's something new that they're doing. So yeah, it's amazing. So what I'm going to do is remix someone else's AI who I've taken a look at, and it looks really cool. So shout out to Anastasia. Her channel is I believe it's Anastasia Blogger. And she has an AI tool that helps bloggers find niches. I'm gonna remix that, y'all. We're not gonna reinvent the wheel here, okay? I'm gonna remix that. At least for my first one. All right. So y'all with me? Let me know. Brandon, it's good to see you, man. It is good to see you. So are my comments hiding after a few seconds? Okay, I hope so. Let's see. All right, so let me just type in niche and see what pops up. Niche or niche. Oh, they have a lot of different ones already. Choose your blogging niche. I believe this is hers right here. So as you can see, people who have remixed them and didn't name them or rename them, maybe you're just trying it out. That's why you see these duplicates here. So they should go in there and delete them. But yeah, if you do remix it, make sure you rename it. So let's do that now. So I believe this is the original. So this is her landing page. So as you can see, it's really simple, but you can add photos and things and videos to it. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. So what I'm going to do is click these three dots. So for all of the AIs that are free, so as you can see, they say free, some are paid. This paid one, it doesn't have the three dots up here. So I'm not able to remix it, but you are able to remix the free ones. So let me go back, niche. Here it is. I'm gonna hit these three dots up here and then do remix. So this should make an exact duplicate of her app. But you know what we should have done first? Let me just show you what it looks like when you use it. So it says, in which area do you consider yourself knowledgeable or an expert in? So this is what your users will see when they start to use your AI. So you'll see a list of they'll see a list of questions. So this part is gathering the information or the context that's needed to give you as the user or your users the best answer, the best help that they need. Okay. So I'm not going to answer these, but I'm just going to click this arrow just to skip down and see what else is in here. Are you more interested about writing about trending topics or evergreen content remains relevant over the years, and they can choose one? Okay. Are you ready for a niche that requires frequent updates or posts? Would you prefer a niche? You know what? Let's go ahead and fill it out real quick. And then when I remix it, we'll see what's different. Okay. Okay. Are you knowledgeable or expert in? Let's just do graphic design because that's my lane. All right. Instant regular trending topics or evergreen content relevant over the definitely evergreen. Ready for a niche requires frequent updates and posts. I'm gonna leave it in the middle. See what happens. For a niche that you're already familiar with, or are you willing to invest time to learn a new area from scratch? So I'm gonna do familiar niche. Write down your short list of blogging niches you are considering to choose from. So let's do speakers, professional speakers, authors, life coaches, consultants, and let's just say bakers. Let's say bakers. Okay. Awesome. Appreciate it. Okay. Next, which monetization approach appeals to you more? Affiliate marketing or display ads? Let's go with display ads. How important for you is it to write about something you're passionate about? Very. Who would be more comfortable producing for your blog? Written content or visual content? Let's do visual. Let's just do YouTube, Instagram. Prefer diving deep into topics or covering broader, more various. Let's do narrow topics. Generating. Okay. Hi there. I'm the niche navigator. It's my job to help you choose your blogging niche. Type choose to get my recommendation. All right, let's check it out. So we got graphic design for professional speakers, design inspiration for authors, visual coaching tools for life coaches. Oh, this is really cool. So it gives us why these niches perfect for you, profitability potential, monetization methods, 5 successful blogs on similar niches. Wow, this is really cool, y'all. So you see how it's laid out. So this middle section, the output, is what we can craft as far as these different topics. What we'll be able to craft in on the back end. So I'm sure you can see right away how this is a lot more useful and efficient than just using ChatGPT alone. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and do it. So I've already clicked let me go back, the remix button. So I'm going to go to my AIs because I've already clicked the remix button. So it created an exact duplicate. So this is an exact copy, but don't let this, I know you see this middle section. Don't let this intimidate you, y'all. Don't let it intimidate you. If you don't know, look, I haven't written a line of code to this day. This isn't technically code. And you can create this entire AI with code. All right. Yeah, it did. It did. Yeah, you can create this AI without code. Okay. Without code. So that's what I'm going to be doing. You really don't even really need this on the right hand side. Okay, so it allows you to test it. So you can see this is the message that I just got. So what I'm going to do is kind of tweak these prompts on the left hand side to fit a graphic design niche finder or niche finder. Okay. I'm going to pull up my notes that I have here. Okay. So let's click the first one. And you know what else we can do is find some questions. I mean, we're all using AI, right? I kind of have my own questions that I ask when trying to identify your niche, like, out of, let me write them down. Okay. I'm gonna write some of these down as I'm thinking. New note. Give me a second. Okay. So let me see. Have you worked with 50 to 100 clients so far in your business? But we can actually change this to how experienced are you? In your graphic design business. And then the questions would be, it would be a scale of, let's do it live. Let's do it live. So I'm gonna do a plus, new prompt. Let's do a slider. Okay. Min label, max label. Not very experienced. Let me see, beginner and experienced. Do I need a center label? Okay, yeah, that's fine. Center label, I'm gonna leave it. Prompt type, slider, prompt text. So enter a question or a statement here. How experienced are you in your graphic design business? You can add a photo if you want for a background image. I'm not going to do that now. Let's do save and start new. Okay, so this is a new question, a new prompt. Yeah, man, it's dope so far. Okay. How experienced are you? So I usually ask, like, out of the clients you've worked with, let's make a short list of the types of niches you've worked with so far. Let's compare raw data to open type. Okay. Make you know what? She already has one kind of mapped already. So I don't know if I can close it. Looks like I can't. Save. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. How experienced are you? Yeah, that's cool. I may move it up. It's the first time I'm doing this, y'all. I'm doing this live for the first time. I've seen the tutorials. So So let's go ahead and change this one right now. Can I just double click it? Okay. No data sources. Okay, variable frequency is reference noises. Okay, I'll fix that in a bit. Okay, let me see here. Here's write your short list. So I thought I could just double click it and open up. I feel like I should be able to, but something may be up with my browser. Let me refresh. Let's see. Okay, I guess I can't. I thought I would be able to. But it may just be my browser. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna redo this. The question that says, make a short list. Write down your short list of blogging niches you're considering to choose from. So let's do one like that. So it's gonna be open type. Of niches you enjoy working with. So this is what I typically say. Like, out of everyone you've worked with, if it's about 50 to 100 clients, who do you enjoy working with the most? Who truly values what you do, and who has the means to pay you what you're worth? So I'm wondering if I should add that to this question or just keep it simple. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it like that. Write down list of niches you that value you the most. A short list of the types of clients that I'll just say the types of clients list. Okay. Types of clients who have the means. Or, the clients that pay your fees without issue. Okay. Cool. So something else we can do, y'all, is I'm trying to think if I should use ChatGPT or find an AI for it. But is defined what other types of questions should we ask? Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. So we can't edit the cards, just delete and make new ones. Yep. Okay. I'm glad to know it's not just my browser. So maybe that's something coming in the future, but as of now, we can't do that, y'all. Okay, so let's see what other let's just use ChatGPT on its own to find, or we could just use Google. You know what I'm saying? But let's see what questions it asks. Or let's just use Google. Let's see. types, how to find your niche as a graphic designer. Okay. So maybe this will help give us some more questions to ask. Explore interests. Okay, yeah. So it's giving me some other ideas. Okay, so we'll go here and we'll do out of everything that you do, out of all of your services, which do you enjoy the most? Do you enjoy doing the most? Of your services, which do you enjoy doing the least? Okay. Okay, so let's do a choice here. Let's see. Do you prefer to work with personal brands or corporations? Let's do personal brands and corporations. Okay. Let's see. Work with large businesses, or let's say small or large businesses. Mike, what's going on, man? Welcome to the stream. We're just building an AI live. Okay. All right. So real-time questions. Yeah, this is all stuff that's important. Okay, so let's take a look. See, there are different niches, y'all. So you can niche by location, you can niche by type of service, and you can niche by industry, right? So this is the type of service. It's not, you're not niching or niching by location here or the industry, just the type of service. Okay. So let's definitely include one about like what social media platforms do you frequent? So let's do another open type. Social media platforms do you enjoy? Because I don't want to get too deep. Because the ones that you enjoy are the ones that you'll use the most to promote your business. But I know people would be open to promoting their business, even on a platform they don't necessarily enjoy. Use, let's just say, do you use? Promote your business. Okay. All right. Let me think. What would you do if you weren't getting paid? Yeah, that's another good one. Okay. Let's do Would you prefer a niche that you're already familiar with, or this is from Anastasia, are you willing to invest time in learning a new area from scratch? So let's do a slider. Yeah, this is fine. Familiar, let's do familiar. And new to me. Okay. I think if there's anything that I'm missing. Let's see what this says. Values, the type of service, the budget. Yeah, that's pretty good. Business model, industry, stage of life, goals and problems. So yeah, I could get really deep, but I'm gonna keep it simple for now. What was the one I was thinking about? Values, type of service, budget. Yep, let's add one in there about budget. You're new to me. Okay. This could have been choice, but let's do another like this. I'm thinking about nonprofits to big budgets. Let's do or. Do you prefer to work with businesses with startups or more? You know what? Let's do startups. Startups or more established businesses. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at everything that we have so far. And I'm going to delete the ones that we don't need. Okay. Including this last one. All right. So let me just go through. Okay, which area do you consider yourself a knowledgeable or expert? So we won't need this. Ready for a niche that requires frequent posts and updates. I'll delete this. Would you prefer a niche you're familiar with? Yeah, we'll keep this one. Unless I redid this. I might have redone that one. New brand identity development. Still get requests in custom apparel photography. Yeah, man, look, this will be created in a few minutes, so you could use this to help out. Strengths and weaknesses and where you might be in your way. Oh, I like that, Sandre. I like that. What are some of your strengths and weaknesses as a business owner? Oh, that'll be really good. Let's do that. New prompt, raw data, because this may be a bit longer. What are some of your strengths and weaknesses as a freelance graphic designer that you're aware of, because they may not know? All right, save. Keep doing save and start new instead of save, so I have to delete that. All right, so let's go back up. Blogging niches. So let's delete this. 4 years of writing something you're passionate about. Oh, that was pretty good as far as design. Design business experience. Yeah, I like that. Social media sites are you? For your blog, we'll delete this one. Delete this one. Okay. Working with. Oh, shoot. I can't edit it. If I go here. Context. Okay. Okay, so I have to redo that one. A short list of niches you enjoy working with the most. Let me redo that. New prompt. Yeah, I like that, Lakeitra. What are some of your, you know what, let's do raw data of your strengths as a freelance graphic designer? Strengths as a freelance graphic designer. I'm getting excited, y'all, because I can see this next section, how we can put it all together, how it'll really help to get some good answers. Okay. You enjoy working with the most. All right, so we're going to delete this one. For a niche you are familiar with, who wants to learn from scratch. As a user, promote your business for small businesses, large businesses. Hope that's not redundant. Startups with startups and more established businesses. Yeah, I'll leave it. This one is asking the client's budget help if you already have package prices. It really depends. It really depends, Damon. But are you in Good to Go Pro or the free group? Definitely tap in there and we can talk more about that specifically. Yeah. Okay. All right. So for personal brands or corporations, I feel like some of this is a little redundant, but it should still work fine. Okay. Out of those, all the services which you enjoy doing the least, also enjoy doing the most. Right down your short list of types of clients to pay your fees without issue. You enjoy working with the most, so I need to move this up. Clients. So I think I'm gonna change this to I'm gonna leave this as it is. I'm gonna leave it as is for now, and we can always update it. Okay. All right. So I believe the questions are done. Let me just take another quick look. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. All right. So this is the prompt area or the preamble area. So this allows us to craft the context. So it says it right here, welcome to the recommendation scaffold. So this was created using a recommendation scaffold. Preamble creates an AI that will recommend a blogging niche that's perfect for a specific person and has a good profit potential. Responsive to AI to recommend anything from books, music, and more. Make sure to replace brackets with your own context or it will not work properly created by Chase. So, okay. So I'll remove this because this one's going to be created by us. But I don't know if I have a username or anything like that. I don't know. Let's see. Do I? Let's see. UAI.ai. UAI, explore apps. Profile. Let me move this over here real quick. I don't know what's about to pop up. Account settings. Oh, I can change my username. Oh, snap. Let's see. Oh, snap. Y'all, head on over there and get your username. UAI. You just got to go to account settings and you can change your username. Okay. So let's do created by Marshall Fox. This is cool. And then this is going to be a graphic design niche. Niche is perfect for a specific person. It has a good profit potential. Okay. So step one, set up the system. The system is called Niche Navigator. So I'm going to call mine Graphic Design Niche Buster. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, that's where I'm at mostly. Cool. If y'all can hit the like button on as you're watching, I'd appreciate it. All right, so this is gonna be called Graphic Design Niche Buster. Let's make gonna be make graphic design niche. Oh, so it's highlighting everywhere it is. Let's see. I don't know how to change it everywhere. That would be cool. Man, I know it's a shortcut for this. Dang, it's got to be a way. Let me see. How to change text everywhere. Markdown. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to change everywhere it says blogging first and then change everything else. Okay. All right, so this context and these brackets, this is where we're going to have to update, okay? So I'm going to leave these here. but it's going to change drastically. Yeah. Okay, so the context. So how experienced are you? So she has, this is on the stage, so she has these different contexts. So I'm gonna have to delete pretty much all of this. Um but let's see, how experienced are you in your graphic design business? So this should move up. How experienced are you in your graphic design business? Beginner or experienced? So I'm gonna write the context here. User is I'm trying to figure out how to say that. Is either experienced or not. Under experience. Narrow niches more. User has more expertise. Here it is. Experience. In this niche. So under here, we're going to need context, name, experience. And then drag this under here, under experience. And I'm going to move this up. Can I move this up? No, it doesn't look like I can. Okay. All right, so that's that one. The second one is, which area do you consider yourself knowledgeable or an expert? Okay, so we could leave that. Yep, so we can leave that right here. That's this one under expertise. So I'm gonna move this up. I don't think it matters. As long as they're mapped appropriately. And you can literally just make these up using regular, English. So let's see here. Do you prefer a niche that you are familiar with? Or are you willing to invest time in learning? I think I have this again somewhere. So I'll just delete this one and keep hers. Okay, so that's gonna should be like familiarity. Let me see. I want to change this up actually. I'm gonna leave it. I'll leave it. And it should be under learn already. Yeah. Shortlist the types of clients that value you the most. User prefers a niche that value let's see. It's gonna be a little funky, but it's gonna do a new variable. It says values. list of clients who pay your fees without issue. I'm assuming it's this one. Okay. User pays without issue. Might be a little ghetto fabulous, y'all, but we're gonna see what it does. Just can't see the entire. Wish I could make this smaller. Can I hide this? Okay. I can resize this. So yeah, that would be a recommendation for the team. Let us resize this, man. Let's resize this. But I'm sure it's coming. Knowing youai is coming. Okay. I hope these are the right ones, but I can't tell right here. But I should be able to check somewhere. All right. Okay. Enjoyment. Let's do enjoyment. They find enjoyment. All right. All the services you do. What services do you enjoy the most? Enjoys these services. So I do services. Dislikes. It's my first time, y'all. There's probably a better way, but I'm having fun. All right. Or work with, see. Work with more personal brands or corporations in the interest of time. see. Okay, I see what it's doing here. Let me see here. I'm going to delete that one. Small business or large businesses. Okay. Do you prefer? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. I don't need this one. Formats. Man, look. I'm telling you. Okay. Let me see. Large businesses, social media platforms. So this should be the same. Social media platforms. Should be under social media. Okay. Reverse. Yep. That's good. So some of your weaknesses. Almost done. All right, so let me go back. Almost larger small businesses, social media, startups, or more established businesses. I'm trying to figure out how to write that. Types. I should do types. Yeah, so I'm going to do types. So I'm just clicking around as I'm thinking. Stage. Let's do stage. All right. User prefers working with businesses and the startup or established stage. Okay. Hey, Marcio. Good to see you, man. Oh, it's supposed to be stage. Boom. Social media. Strengths and weaknesses. All right, bet. These will be easy. Niches. We should put that in there. In this niche. Yeah, let's take niches out. So we don't have that. Formats. Take this out because we don't have that. Take passion out. See what we have here. Frequency. So in services. Have a space here, that's why. Yep. Yep, I do see that. Boom. No errors or warnings. All right, so I just need weaknesses and strengths. I don't think it needs to be, I don't think I have monetization method, do I? I don't think I had monetization method. But yeah, all of this other stuff we can delete. Traininess, frequency, passion, format, niches, narrow, monetization. All right, cool. So then we're just gonna do strengths and weaknesses. And let me delete this. The user. I don't think it matters if it's the user or just user because it's smart. But I'm just going to do the user has the following strengths. All right. The user has the following weaknesses. Oops. Weaknesses. Boom. Some of your strengths. Oh, I didn't add them yet. So let's do one for strengths. Spell strengths wrong. Weaknesses. Boom. All right. So we have them all here. Context. So we don't even need this, but you can't delete it. That's the only one you can't delete. Okay. So just want to make sure we have them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. No errors or warnings. Okay, now we can move on. So at first, we set up the systems called Graphic Design Niche Buster. Role of this AI is to make graphic design niche recommendations to the human. Context. So this is the context. So this should be important with it. M. Details about the human's preferences. User is experience in this niche. That's fine. Okay. Set up the output. What is included when the AI gives recommendations? System must always provide human with a list of recommendations for graphic design niche. A short summary of why this niche is perfect for this user. Profitability potential for this niche based on examples of income reports from the same niche with the link to those income reports. I'll do preferably. I don't know if they understand that. They as in whatever model. The AI. Come on, help a brother out now. I am on my channel, right? Yeah. Right? Make sure I'm on my channel. I'm not on A-Camp channel, am I? Don't scare me like that. Dot popping up here talking about Katie watching my typos. Hold on. No, I'm on my channel. Right? Hold on. Dot don't scare me. Okay. Make sure I'm on my channel. Bruh, you almost scared me half to death. About to say. I was about to say, bruh. All right. Mention the most suitable monetization methods for this niche. So I'm gonna change this. A list of 5. I'm gonna change these two. Mention the most suitable monetization methods for this niche. Golly, I can't speak. I'm gonna say short list of what needs for a list of recommendations for graphic design niche, centered around the type of like an industry, based on industry. Let's say based on industry. Show some why this industry is perfect for this user. Mention the most suitable monetization types. I'm gonna say mention the types of graphic design services. This niche could get the most value from. A list of 5 books about serving this niche. And let me see here. And then we're going to do 6. Mention how to best utilize their preferred social media to find. All right, let me see. How to best utilize the preferred social media channels to find and market to this niche. Mention how to reach out to this niche. I don't know about that one. Mention how to reach out to this niche. Let me see. Yeah, that's redundant. So sponsor will be formatted in Markdown. Okay, Markdown for H1. Okay, this looks good. Automations. I'm not gonna do anything with these right now. Message rules. Graphic design niche buster. Graphic design niche. Let's go. All right. Model settings, Chat GPT-4. You can select different models, but I'm gonna use GPT-4. Publishing. Let's do graphic design niche buster. All right, I ain't gonna edit this right now. Icons and media. I'll leave this for now. Perfect niche for your blogging journey. Let's do graphic design. I'm gonna just leave this for now. I'm gonna change it later, but I know we're running over. I'm gonna change the title of this video. Cool. We got 14 viewers left. If y'all can smash that like button, I'd appreciate it. So let's hit publish, y'all. Let's hit publish. So you can see the landing page as of now. UAI search, social sharing. So I'm gonna publish this and see what it gives us. Oh my gosh. It's published, right? Is it published? Access and sharing, public, allow remixing, pricing. It's free, but I'm not going to charge for this one. Okay. Landing page. Preview draft. Let's see. Might have to preview the draft first. Draft version of this AI. Let's say experienced. Graphic design. Let's say web design. Print design. Yeah, let's go familiar. Can I change mine? Okay. Short list of the types of clients I value the most. Let's say professional speakers, authors, life coaches, consultants. I want to do a long list of different folks. Let's say dog walkers. Just because I'm curious. Real estate agents, lawyers, dentists, and zoologists. All right. Pay your fees without issues. Let's narrow these down to, let's say, I'm just making this up, y'all. Y'all know I work with speakers. Let's narrow it down to these. And enjoy working with the most. Let's do these. And let's do hair salons. Let me remove these out. Hair salons and nail technicians. I'm curious. I'm just curious. I'm really curious to know what it's going to give me. Sorry, what you enjoy doing the most. Let's do let's see, book cover design, web design, and branding. Press kit design and business card design. Let's say large. Oops, I need to change this. Yes or no. It's supposed to be large or small. Shoot. I have to edit this. Hopefully I can. Shucks. And I don't think I can, y'all. Large or small. Shucks. Yeah, we need the ability to edit these. New prompt. Okay, so it just took a few minutes to publish. So it says open publish now. Okay. Okay, so save my answers. Let's say Instagram, YouTube. Let's do small and see what it says. Strengths as a freelance graphic designer, quality of work. Communication, attention to detail. All right. Weaknesses as a graphic designer. Let's just say business, budgeting, and I feel like I'm in a therapy session, y'all. Budgeting and I need to pick something design related. Say flyer design. All right. Hi there, I'm graphic design niche, but it's my job. Help you choose your graphic design niche. Tight, let's go. This is gonna be interesting, y'all. I'm a little scared. Wow. I'm at a loss for words. And I'm also seeing how I can tweak this to make this even better. So, as you can see, based on your preferences and experience, I conclude and recommend the following graphic design niches for you to consider: life coaches, professional speakers, authors, and dentists. I may narrow this down to 2 or 3 instead of 4. Because I feel like people, and you let me know what you think, I feel like you may look at this and say, it may be overwhelming. Say, okay, out of these 4, how do I narrow it down? And of course, you can continue to chat with the bot to maybe help you make a decision, or you could just go in the lab yourself. You stated you enjoy doing book cover design, web design, and branding, which your service is highly valued by life coaches. Ooh, yo, this is lit. So you see how it's taking the different context and combining it to come up with the decision. Wow. Targeting these niches allows you to work with clients you enjoy working with, who value skills and are willing to pay your fees without issue. Yo, that's fire, because that's what I talk about the most, y'all. That's the trifecta. Who values what you do, who has the means to pay you what you're worth, and who do you enjoy working with? That's the trifecta. Because if you don't have one of those, then you're not gonna be doing it long term. It's gonna lead to burnout, frustration, resentment. Because you may have somebody who pays you with no issue. They may value what you do, let you do your job, but you probably just don't like working with them. Over time, it's gonna get old, right? Like, life coaches and professional speakers often require unique and personalized branding to represent their voice in the market. Additionally, they may need book cover designs for their published works. Dentists, on the other hand, would need strong branding and web design to stand out in a saturated market. Profitability potential. So let's take a look at these income reports. I know it's very niche, no pun intended. So I'm wondering where they would get this information from. Okay, so this didn't give me an actual link. So let's check this one and this one. Okay, so I'll probably take the income reports out because that I don't know if that's readily available in this way for these niches or niches. You know what I'm saying? So I'll likely take that out, the profitability potential, or have them reword it. Um, it's so hard to tell these days, man, with graphic designers because if you Google, let's Google the average graphic designer salary. But in any niche, you can make a killing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is one of those industries where, man, it could fluctuate. It go from zero to several $100,000 a year or more, you know, if you're running an agency, as you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna tweak that. So let's do that. So as far as the income report, so the profitability potential for these niches. So of three recommendations for graphic design niche based on industry, profitability potential. I do want to have something about profitability based on um I'm gonna just delete that, including, let me see, get the most value from, including services the user shared as well as others they may not have mentioned. A list of 5 graphic. Let me see what books they recommended. You know what? I'm going to do books. A list of 5 books that give insight about these niches. Six, a list of 5 books that about graphic design. Running freelance graphic design business. Helpful based on the niches provided. So I'm going to change, so H1. So let me see what, I need to change the formatting of this. Well, I guess it's fine because it would change the formatting of all of these sections. And I would like to expand upon this. A brief. So this should be 7. A brief action plan to prepare. Let me say a list of next steps. A brief list of action steps to prepare their business, website, marketing, message, portfolio to appeal to the niches provided. All right, this looks good. So I'm gonna do publish. Yo, it's getting better already, y'all. This is getting better already. Oh my gosh. Look, we're going to have to end this video soon. I'm already 30 minutes over. But I'm going to continue to refine this. But what I'm going to do is share this. I'm going to drop it in the description as soon as this video is over so you guys can check it out and remix it. All right. So if you're on a replay squad, the link should already be there. But I'm definitely going to continue to fine tune this and then maybe have this joint for sale, y'all. This is lit. Still going. This is thorough and this is like not overwhelming at the same time. So 5 books that gives you insight. So look, if you become a mini expert on your niche and then have books about running a business, like you speak this. So this first list is to speak their language. You know what I'm saying? I wonder if I can put like a recommendation here, like to learn how to speak their language. And this will help you with your marketing as well. And then books about running a freelance graphic design business. Oh, this is one of my favorites. Bury your portfolio. That's how you know this joint is lit. Got my top 5 books here, y'all. Boom. That's how you know this is the real deal, y'all. This is one of my top 5 books right here for graphic designers. And it's right there on the list. So you know it just ain't just pulling this BS. You know what I'm saying? Let me change my scene so y'all can see this. This is it, y'all. This is right on the recommended list. And it could have pulled any 5 books randomly. Let's go. Let's go. Yo, I'm pumped up. Dimitri, thank you. UAI, MindStudio, thank you. Because this is going to change the game for a lot of us. This is going to change the game. Share your portfolio, behind the scenes glimpses of your work process, and client testimony. This is all 3 good things that fast. Your portfolio, right? Because a lot of us, we get overwhelmed by social media. Look at mine. I haven't posted in over 2 months. Overthinking. That's what we do as creatives. Portfolio. Okay, so I'm like, get some mock-ups of my work, behind the scene glimpses of our process, client testimonials. That's the easy 3 things to post. You already know. You already know. And then YouTube create videos offering design tips or explaining the design process. Also interview satisfied clients, revealing how your designs boosted their business. Let's go. Let's go. Update your website. Highlight services most relevant to these niches. Let's go. Tailor your portfolio. Revise your marketing messages to emphasize your service can benefit these specific testimonials. Seek testimonials. See, I didn't even ask for that. Creating package deals tailored to the needs of these niches. And then you can chat further with the bot. Let's go. Yo, I'm pumped up. I got coffee. I ain't even drinking. I don't even need it. Let's look. I'm supposed to be off here at 4:00, y'all. We still going. Let's go. Look, okay. Can you give me a more detailed breakdown of the action steps as more of a checklist for each point of sub steps? Is that the word? I said subsets. I meant sub steps, but it still understood me. Update your website. Let's go. Look, y'all. If you can't tell, I'm excited. I low-key got tears in my eyes, and I had that same the same feeling when Dimitri was first showing me youai. I had the same feeling. Let's go. Update your website so it gives you action steps. Highlight the specific services that are relevant to consultants, real estate agents, and dentists. Considering adding a section about why your services are specifically valuable for these professionals. Make sure your design language speaks to these niches. Professional, modern, service-oriented. Tailor your portfolio. Boom. This is really valuable. I can't wait. I don't know if my wife's watching this, but I can't wait. If she's not, to talk about this with her when I get off. So I feel like all we do is talk about ways we can serve our design community. Emphasize how your services benefit your niches. So of course you want to consider the niche you're going for, not all three, right? Let's see. Can you give me some examples of graphic design packages I can create? Let's see what it says. Yo, this is cool and scary at the same time. This is like almost like a live behind the scenes of my coaching business or something. Like I could use this as a graphic design business coach, plug it into here, plug in there, send them a questionnaire. And this is just one example of how you can use this for yourself to not just charge for the use of this, but use your own AI. If you can even make it private, and just use it in your own business. So let's just say hypothetically, well, all of these personalizations, let's say I set up a form that I sent to my coaching clients with all of these questions, right? I plug them in to my AI, and then I get all this information. I'm able to, have this conversation with them or send this back to them. And I just use AI to find them a profitable niche and gave them action steps on how to position their business to appeal to them. This is really good, y'all. This is just one application. And look at the examples of that they gave of the packages: logo design, social media graphics, website design. And of course, you want to set your prices, right? Branding package for real estate, professional package for dentists, office branding, website design, brochure design, because these are the things that they need. You know, real estate agents, property flyer design, business card design, brand identity. So it's very specific based on the niche. And, you know, I could have even said, look, give me some examples of graphic design packages I could offer for dentists specifically. You know what I'm saying? So this takes the thinking out of it, y'all. It makes us a lot more valuable, because if y'all are like me, I overthink to the point where I won't even do anything. Like, it's paralysis by analysis, right? So look, get UAI, get MindStudio up and running. Yeah, use AI, y'all, to help you figure it out, so you don't have to do it all on your own. Like, how long would it take you to put together these packages on your own? You know, so at this point, all you gotta do is figure out your pricing. Like, what is profitable for you at the end of the day based on these deliverables? Add to it, right? Take from it, whatever you think is most valuable. So you can look at this and say, well, I really don't like doing flyers, so maybe I'll outsource that, or get better at that, or just don't do it at all. Don't offer it. Maybe offer something else. But at this point, hopefully you've worked with enough clients and have done enough services to know what you enjoy doing, what you don't enjoy doing. But it gave you recommendations based on what you enjoy doing, because you wouldn't even have gotten to this point, right? Based on what you do. See, enjoy doing this. So this is what we recommend. Yo, this is really cool. You feel me? Let's go, Kiki. Let's go. All right, y'all. Look, we only got 8 people left. We got up to almost 30, which is cool. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Please hit the link in the description. Head over to UAI to build your own AIs. And if you're not ready to do that, test mine out. I'm getting ready to drop it. You know what I'm saying? Let me do that now. Open published. You share it. Copy the link. I'm going to put it in the description right now. I'm going to create a shorter link for it, and then I'll add it right to the description so you guys can check this out yourself. But please smash that like button, y'all. Stay tuned every week, because I'll be doing more videos on UAI, on AI in general, on graphic design. I'm going to be doing a lot more tutorials, you know, design, Wix, Ecamm. I've been getting a lot more focused and getting a lot more clarity on what types of content I'm going to be doing on the channel with the help of my wife. One time, make a profit forever. Boom, that's it. Mic drop. Yeah, y'all hit the like button. I'm going to shorten this link, drop it in the description. But in the meantime, you can head over to the link in the description, type in graphic design, niche buster, whatever, and you'll come up on this. But I'm going to make it nice. I'm going to tweak it, add my graphics and stuff to it. Probably spend a bit more time on the back end and make it my own. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Anastasia for creating the original. She remixed someone else's. So, but I didn't have to start from scratch, y'all. And as you can see, this is my first time, and I was figuring it out on my own, but they made it really simple. So feel free to watch this back a couple times if you need to. And yeah, y'all, if you're a graphic designer, find your niche, head over to that link in the description after you hit the like button, after you subscribe, of course, and create your own, or just use some. All right. So thanks for watching, y'all. Hope you have a phenomenal rest of your week, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Peace.